She stole my lettuce. Oh, chicken. Little thief. Stole my lettuce and ran underneath the bus. Right? Don't be stealing my sandwich. No, no. You stay away from my sandwich. Chickens. I know what you're trying to do. Don't you dare. Don't you steal. Ah! Hey! You stole my lettuce. Oh, what'd you do with it? Well, you ate it already. What a pig. What a pig. Get out of here. Wow. This is my son. No, wow. Holy. Holy. Ah! Oh, he took my whole sandwich. Oh. Fucking bitches. Holy. Get back with my sandwich. Wow. Little brats. Holy, I'm going in the house. You guys are just rude. Can't even take a bite out of it yet. Get out of here. Get. Oh, God, man. I haven't even had a bite yet, and you guys have been eating it. You guys ate it before I did. Holy. Get out of here. Get. Couldn't even eat in my own backyard. Look what you did to my sandwich. You tore it all apart. Good chickens. Not chickens, you're vultures. Look at, you wrecked my whole sandwich. Holy, you took the tomato right out of it. You guys don't eat tomatoes. No. Get out of here. Well, you ate your own egg. You know that. It's probably your egg you ate. I hope it was. Ah, get. Gee. Can't even. Oh. Holy, get out of here. Get. Oh, wow. Have a piece of cheese at least. Wow, that's good cheese. Smoked cheese, that's good stuff. No, go away. Can I have a bite, please? I don't think I'll get my mouth over it, but... Oh, my tomatoes right underneath the sandwich. Holy, look what you guys did. Took my tomato right out of the sandwich. You don't even eat tomato. Yeah, wow, they destroyed it. Let me try putting it back together here. Okay, now, can I take a bite now? Are you guys taking it out of my mouth? I got it. Oh, jeez. Oh, really? Holy! Get out of here! Get! Fucking chickens. Get out of here. Hey, you stole my napkin. Come back here. Hey, you stole my napkin, you little brat. It's got cheese on it. You can't eat paper. Wow. You can't eat the paper. No. You eat the cheese on the paper. Really? Come here. Give me that paper back. You can't eat paper. Yeah, hold it. You can eat the cheese off it. I'm going in the house. You guys are too rude. Can't have anything in my backyard while you pigs eating it. And you get food too. Yeah, you're picking up. You know, at least you don't even tear the paper. Wow. Look at what you did to my napkin, though. Holy. Oh, you're taking it. Okay, time to get rid of it. Come on, get out of here. I only got one hand. Move. No. Let me get my sandwich. I'm going in the house. Wow. Get. Go away. Go away. Have to put some way up here, I guess. Yeah, I'll have to sit on this stool. Get. Get. Okay, I'm going in the house. Move. Come on, out of here. Get.